So hi, we are here kayaking from Crocus Bay and we hope to make it over to Little Bay, and it's a beautiful Saturday afternoon. Nash and I had lunch at Straw Hat earlier and now we're here doing something totally amazing as well, kayaking. The sea is calm, it's beautiful. You can see some of the small boats on the water. We are the only persons out in a kayak right now, and wow, do you see that view? Look at the color of that water. It's greenish, it's bluish. Then you capture the hills in the distance and we're off again. So thanks for watching this video from my Anguilla experience, and if you get the opportunity, don't forget to come to Davida's and do some kayaking. Bye!